Hey guys, do you like the new guys, BFTPOTS is gonna come out in a few days. Oh man. Don't watch Roblox. You know I just got a bodyguard. But guys, my most popular video reached 100 views. Whoa, that is coolio. That is coolio. That is coolio. That is coolio. Oh no. That is coolio. Hi. Again with Roblox. Team Tech, you guys lost the last challenge. Some people voted off. Leaving us without a final 14. Well guys, so I think I'm going to be eliminated. Why 11 o'clock? Wait, yeah, but now I have 10 ace badges. Or maybe 11. But I haven't. Seems like we haven't gotten any responses from the you got a rally guard. How did you get that? Hold on a sec. A rally guard. How did you know? I don't care, Monopoly. Again with the Roblox. Yeah, it's oh no. Oh my gosh, he's attacking me too. Stop playing Roblox Beast Swarm Simulator. You've been playing it on your channel for the past few weeks. I love it. But it's time for the elimination anyways, guys. So, Team Tech, you guys lost last time. So, whichever one of you got the most votes is eliminated. So, what is the prize? The prize is, since I really love Beast Swarm Simulator, the prize is Star Jellies. The prize is Star Jellies. Anyways, I have 4 of them. If you receive a Star Jelly, you're safe. But if not, you're eliminated. Whoa, that's a mega BFTPOTS. Beat with you. So anyways, whichever person got the most votes is gonna be eliminated. So anyways, let's see the results. Oops. Let's see the results, everyone. Guys, let's see the results. Let's see the results. Let me go to food. So. So that feels cool. See it, but I think. Why did it take you so long? Slimes. Okay, I'm gonna now. I'm gonna launch Microsoft Office. He's got a new hive. This guy became me. Okay, another festive gift. Let me get that. Thank you for our festive gift. I basically love sunflower seed. Sorry about it. So wait, you just got this Remy card for nothing? This guy is better than me. Duh, we're better than everyone here. I'm better than...
Mommy! I'm hungry!
Office.
And because I love them.
Come on. So how are people gonna vote now? How did you do Star Jones? Just say that one. But if not, you're eliminated. Little videos like that earlier. So wait. Anyways, if I call you, just say, how long do I? Well, I was like sometimes. But you're safe. That was close. That's what it looks like you, but you're also safe. And that's what it looks like you, but you're also safe. As well. Oh, you still have jelly slides. You're a different Mars. Looks like another polar contestant about to go home. One of you that I call, that don't call, will go bye-bye, leaving your team with 4 left. Okay. What is Bluetooth? Battery, I'm sorry. Oh no. Bye everyone! You guys look at our final 14. Hey, I was amazing. Let's try escape. Do that. Organizations are best for you. Next challenge is it's tunnel wheel fighting. Yeah. Tunnel wheel day. Another honey storm. Aww. Sorry, but that's a few minutes from now. Anyways, guys, today's challenge is to find the best way to solve a Rubik's Cube. I mean, discuss if. Discuss what? So, after 7, I'll just be a few minutes from today. I'm gonna be so here. I'm gonna be so happy. I can't believe you came. It's almost been a day. Oh, your challenge is to not get attacked by this tack. If all your team touches it and it falls into orange surface, your team will be up. Oh, there's no festive blessing this time. There was no festive blessing. There was no festive blessing, but there was a Beesmas cheer. A Beesmas cheer. Okay, the first team shove all the members into there will be up for elimination. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Alright everyone, we can win this. If we just... Blue triangle, what are you doing? I'm just trying to think out ideas. Anyways, there's less than half of us remaining. And Rubik's Game Fan has canceled 8-Ball Pool Master. That is gameplay. I was a fan of it. And why did Rubik's Game Band cancel BFTPOTS 4? Guys, it's not. I love that episode. Guys. But guys. Okay. Hey guys, let's use our star jellies to defend the pin. Yeah. It's gonna get stuck. Hey, I think it's. Oh no, none of my views are radioactive. Okay, everyone, let's go. Yeah, it did it. It protected us. Yeah, those star jellies are helpful. Hey, you know what's even better? Super smoothie. It grants items remaining in zero items for 20 minutes. What is this? Visual data visualized. Visualizer. What is that? Okay, I'm gonna remove that. Oh man. Wait, is that a new Microsoft app? Nope. Oh, come on. Come on, everyone. Yeah. So let's protect it from it. Pictures, shapes, icons. Let's go. Super smoothie, here we go. Super smoothie. I didn't mean that kind of super smoothie. I mean the one in the Swarm Simulator. Oh, a purple potion. A super smoothie. Hold on a second. Is that me? Is that me? Me? Is that me in Roblox? Is it me? What? Is that me? No, hold on a second. That can't be Matthew Group 4. Hey guys, I found Windy B. Oh, so you're gonna do this commercial. Windy B is attack. Windy. Man, almost everyone's better than me. Except for... Don't worry. You'll get used to it not going. Help me. Come on, William. You need to get us to the contest. Hold on a sec. I've just found Windy B. Wee! Legendary Shuttle 1 got blown. Wee! It's time to plant a sprinkler here. Wee! Gotcha. Please, I hope I get a variety of items. God, that's fun. Hey, don't forget me. Are you kidding me? He summoned a honey storm. Okie doke. Go, this will help me fight. B. 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 You damaged that field. I hope I get a variety. I got a huge variety. A huge variety. So now you only have 2 red extracts. Not fair. Well, you have that right. No, you can't. Oh, really? Better luck, Wendy B. Cause I have some solo seeds. I have some royal jellies I can give to my. Wait, what was that? Ubi. Oh man! It's a bucko bee. It's a bucko bee. Bucko. It's a bucko bee. Bucko. Hey, there should be a connection between the Epi bees. No, there's no connection. There's not even a real connection because of that puppy bee in the way. No, I am for 20. Okay, I'll put on this diamond. I'll put on this mask. It's called the diamond mask. I'll put on this gummy mask. Indeed, I'll put on this mask right here. Yeah, shouldn't I put on the diamond? Oh, sorry. Ah! Help me. Okay. Who can put on the gummy mask? No. Nah, let's put it in our bin. I'm gonna put this away. But let's use this purple potion, everyone. But first we gotta clean up. First we gotta drink up. First we gotta drink up. Alright, everyone. Now, is that my bee? It's not your bee. It's a 0.1%. Alright, I'm like purple potion. We have to activate that. I don't have any neon berries, so neon berries. Do you know those things that makes the bee radioactive?
But that's what I can do. The oldie ones
Oh no, I'm not using my stingers on the bucket gun. It's hoops a bee. It's hoops a bee. Shouldn't you be doing BFTPOTS contest? Sorry, I'm just busy. It's Tumblr day. That's what happens during evening. Oh no, we're close to the end of the hive. Vicious bee. We really have to spawn that impale. Vicious bee? Or else we won't win. You can't. Oh, can't believe it. Anyways, I'm gonna do it after. So what? It can only last for 15 minutes on all of us. We can do it if we want. Hold on a second. Before we have this, who is this guy? Well, at least that can't be me. Can't be me. I want Slow Journey too, but I'm. Hold on. I know that can't be me.
Dad.
Oh no, what just happened? Nothing happened!
Hey guys.
Alright everyone, we activate that will never hit us. Oh no, oh no. Smiley, I'll save you. Hey, Brownie, why'd you do that? We lose a chances of becoming. Is that me, B? No. Is that my B? We back. We back. We back. Looks like that. B. We back. Wait, you got a rally gun? Whoa. Did you know BFTPOTS? Oh no. It's a You stingers. Oh, where did he go? Oh, you pay for this! See ya. And see ya. I'm not doing that way.
Dad.
Sorry, I fell in a hole. Sunflower field! No! I don't have a magic bean. Give me that. No, I didn't get it. Okay, that's a vicious be defeated. It's a newbie. Dude, stop playing Roblox. It's annoying.
And then they also have like companies that deliver water to the house.
Come on! You really need to get back to the contest.
But yeah, but I mean, you have
I'm not getting that. I told you it's open. It's just me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh no, we're close to the end of the tunnel. How can we get this guy? Well, most of us are on level 8. All of us need, but it's so hard. What did you just use? Oh no, oh no. Let's have a festive gifts. Let's see what he got.
No burger. If you're still hungry, I don't know what's coming. I made
Almost
rice, I
fine.
made dinner. There's a piece of chicken left. You want chicken? Huh?
Yes.
Here.
Don't worry.
Here, there's one more chicken left. Sit down and eat your food.
Back to the game. Oh, yeah, you defeated him. Uh-oh, a purple potion just started to out. Careful, guys, careful. I'll get. Yeah, stop us. Whoa, voice symbol.
This thing called the.
Don't worry, it's.
So it's a filter. It's like a tin filter that you put in.
It's the circle.
You don't have to.
Ah. Thanks, girl symbol. She told you. You were game. Yep. You do the miss. Let's smash those three squeeze. Yeah. Yeah. Dead. I'll save you, Orangey. Don't worry. Guys, look out. Oh no. Dead. To make it dead. To make it dead. To make it dead. Oh no. Oh no. I'm dead. I know that's the words pull triangle before you go in. Wait, no. Oh no. Dead. Well, goodbye. Guys, type in. Oh yeah. And guys, type on which boys are here. Smiley, frowny, pull triangle, dart, and sign. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications. See, don't miss another episode of BFTPOTS. Bye, guys. Soon we get back up. Thanks for but wait, before. Video D. Thanks for 100 views on my most popular video. Video. Did that. Stop reading. Wait a second. That's the white side. Why is it flipped? Hold on, what is that? The white! Oh. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like the video. Make sure, before you leave the video, hold on a second. Monitor got defeated! We gotta get those. I'm gonna... catch you. No. No. Give me those. Who got the star jelly? Oh, Diamond Bee. Yeah. Anyways, like this video. Like this video. Like this video. Like the video. Like the video.
Drink water, man.
Subscribe. And ring the bell. Bye. Wow, guys, this is the longest BFTPOTS episode ever.